Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you're looking out to find out if someone has deactivated their account on Snapchat and you're wondering how to check that, in today's video, we are going to guide you through the process. So let's get started. You can start by opening up the Snapchat application for that. And once you open Snapchat, what you may do is check your chat list. So look out for the chat option from your main screen and reach over to your chat page. And within this chat page, what you need to do is basically go ahead and look out for that person you're looking for that you think has deactivated their account. So if their chat is no longer available in your list, it is a very strong indicator that they have deactivated their account. If not this, you can even use the search at the top and just go and search for that particular person that you think has deactivated their account. Once that is done, if you do not find that person likely has deactivated their account. Or you may also be maybe blocked sometimes. That also may happen. Apart from that, you can try sending a message to that particular person even if you find their account. So if you're not able to send message to that particular person when you try sending a message, it may show pending or may not be able to send it at all. That is also an indication that someone has deactivated their account. Apart from that, what we can do is we can look out for mutuals. So if you have a mutual friend, you can ask them to search for the person's username. And if that person is visible to their account but not yours, they may have just blocked you. But if it's not showing on both of your account, then that the person has likely deactivated or deleted their account. And another most reliable way is asking them directly. So you can reach over to that person account through Snapchat itself, or if not this, you can use any other application available to reach out to them, any social media platforms, and ask them directly to uh, to make sure that they have deactivated their Snapchat account or not. And that is it, everybody. These are some of the methods you can try out if you want to know if someone has deactivated their Snapchat account. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.